What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Gab ThePAiRANORMAL back with another custom video. Today we're doing a pair of Air Jordan 1s based off of the Marvel character Morbius from the new movie that recently came out. If you're excited about that, you want to see this custom and how I do it, stick around.
Enter the paranormal.
Okay, so first we're going to use a drill to widen these lace holes to accept bigger laces. Now we're going to put down our gray base coat to make it easier to paint all other colors that are coming later in this custom.
What am I?
After painting the toe box in the mid section of the shoe, we're going to move to the vamp and all the other panels. Now we're going to start hitting the heel. After the heel of the shoe, we're going to paint the upper. Now that we have the upper completed, we're going to go back over the vamp and all other panels with a purple, as well as we went in with a darker blue to give it more depth. Now with a darker brown, we're going to go back over the light brown sections to give that more depth as well.
What am I?
Now moving forward with the vampire theme, we're going to start throwing a little bit of red paint on this shoe to get that blood splatter effect. Hey, just popping in as always to remind you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and you might want to do that or Morbius might come after you. Alright, next, as you see, I'm painting my hand because I'm going to add a little bit more characteristic to this shoe, and this was the only way to do it. Now we're going to move into our characters and all the other parts of the shoe. I'm going to just let y'all vibe out with this music, and I'll be back shortly. Thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed that custom pair of Air Jordan 1s that we did. And while you see the final product, we're gonna go ahead and hit a motivational quote. The greatest discovery of all time is that a person can change his future by merely changing his attitude. It's been your boy Gab of Paranormal, back with another custom video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out of here. Thank you.